Hi, this is Don McAllister, and welcome to another Screencasts Online tip video. Following on from the warmly received series I did on the Lightning Network a few weeks ago in episodes 1239 and 1241, I've had a few requests to cover the wallet of Satoshi, as featured in those shows. If you've not viewed those other shows, I would strongly recommend you watch them first, especially show 1239, as it covers the basic principles and explains some of the terminology I'll be using in this show. The wallet of Satoshi is a simple Lightning wallet, ideal for new beginners just experimenting with sending and receiving sats. A Lightning wallet is a type of Bitcoin wallet specifically designed to work with the Lightning Network, a second-layer scaling solution built on top of the Bitcoin network. The Lightning Network enables faster and cheaper transactions compared to the traditional on-chain Bitcoin transactions. The standard digital monetary asset that we use is called BTC, or some people call it a Bitcoin, and we use the denomination of a sat, which is short for Satoshis, which is 100 millionth of a whole BTC, where 100 sats is roughly 2 or 3 US cents, depending on when you view this video. Now, just to point out, the wallet of Satoshi is what's called a custodial wallet, where the wallet provider takes care of all the technical aspects of the Lightning Network. For small amounts of sats, this really isn't an issue, as it's a much more user-friendly approach and doesn't require any technical knowledge. However, as a point of information, for significant amounts of sats, you should really be looking at a non-custodial wallet such as Phoenix, or even better, a hardware wallet such as Trezor or Ledger. I did cover hardware wallets in the original Bitcoin show I did back in 2017, but for now, we're going to stick to the wallet of Satoshi for just small amounts of sats. Now, I've gone ahead and found it on the App Store, downloaded it, so let me run it for the first time. So if I just click on Wallet of Satoshi, I will allow notifications, and we end up at this first screen. Now, the application itself is completely free, and there is no requirement to provide any ID. You don't have to show your driving license or your passport or anything. You can actually just start using this straight away, and within seconds of downloading, you can start receiving sats. Now, at this point, with this opening screen, there is a disclosure document, which you might want to take a read of. Just give you some background information and set some limits on what you can. Again, with any Lightning wallet, you are limited to relatively small amounts of sats at the moment. But let's go ahead and just click on the Start button. And that's it. Basically, you are now into the wallet of Satoshi. Now, obviously, I've not sent any sats to this wallet, so our balance is 0. But just to point out, up at the top, there is a little symbol here, which is a user with an X next to it. Now, this indicates that you haven't registered with the wallet of Satoshi. You can register with them, and then once you've registered, if you lose your iPhone or if you delete the app by mistake and it contains some sats, you can retrieve those sats. Now, if I was to send some sats to this wallet now and then delete the wallet or lose the iPhone, those sats would be lost. So it is a good idea to go ahead and register with the wallet of Satoshi. And the way you would do that is just by going up to this menu here. And then down at the bottom, there is the option to log in or register. Now, this needs to be a valid email address because you will receive some confirmation and some keywords at this address. So I've actually got a hide my mail email address set up. Okay, so 05.sundry.plays@icloud.com. Let's go ahead and say OK. And they've now sent 2 random words to my email address. So let me just go across to my email client. And there we go. So my 2 login words are Leo and news. Just open that up. Type or copy and paste these 2 words into the app. Well, I think I can type that in quite easily. So let me switch back to Wallet of Satoshi. Enter Leo space news. And then we'll just tap OK. So you'll notice up at the top that indicator has disappeared. And if I go to the menu, you can see my email address is down at the bottom. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.